So before we start, I would like to see a raise of hands. How many of you would like to consume in a more sustainable way than you do today, including the people in the back? All right, that's great to see, and the fact is that the way we do consume today is not very sustainable. However, the lack of sustainable consumption and the transition to a more sustainable consumption is actually also a big opportunity. During the next decade, Europe will become circular. Circular in material use, circular in how you access products, whether it's leasing or second-hand buying and selling, and circular in how you maintain and repair your products. So this is a good thing, but the problem is we are still people. And before we make that switch to a more sustainable option, we typically require it to be both cheaper and as easy as the solutions that we use today. And that's the problem that Wanda has been solving. At Wanda, we have developed the world's first circular services platform. We managed use things that already exist, making re-commerce as easy as e-commerce. On our platform, we have multiple services. Second-hand selling and buying. Typically, we'll pick up your couch in your home, take it to our warehouse, take a photo, post it online on marketplaces. You will access it, buy it, and get it delivered to your doorstep. Re-commerce as easy as e-commerce. We have maintenance and repair partners taking care of your sporting equipment, repairing your clothes. We can also store your things when you don't need them. All of these services are accessible through our app, delivered and picked up at your doorstep by a Wanda driver using one of our electrical vehicles. Sound good?
Yeah.
Yes, it does. Customers love Wanda. So we have a world-class Net Promoter Score above 75. We have done more than 30,000 transactions so far, more than 5,000 happy customers. Good traction, 2.2x growth in customers and revenue so far this year. Company born in the Nordics, but set to scale across Europe. A company which is truly made for European urban hubs. Fundraising in Q1 next year. If you want to know more about circularity and how to transition to a more sustainable consumption, talk to me or Cecily, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Remember to use your voting rights, and I'll happy to have a beer with you later on. Thanks.
This is budget for research and innovation. We are managing 1.2 billion euros for a research and innovation program that has the aim to bring technology, solutions, new process into the market. What we can offer to you is to bring you inside this ecosystem. So we will have with all our founding members, so there are big companies in there, less big as well, but largely we will have the opportunity also to pitch to those companies, maybe to have a business relationship with those companies, and we will accompany you as well throughout all the journey in all our conferences, making sure that you have the right space and the right visibility.